Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Robin, and today we are going to do another granny square. And this one is done in 5 rounds. Oh, some people call it a whirlpool. Some people call it just pretty. So I'm using what's left of my Sugar Wheel Cotton Sparkle Pretties Please yarn, and it is 97% cotton, 3% metallic polyester, and we're going to use a 4.5 millimeter crochet hook. This granny square is done in a total of 5 rounds, and we're going to go ahead and get started. And this is going to do a little color change on me somewhere in this setup. So you're going to start by chaining 6, slip knot first, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. You're going to slip stitch it to form a ring. Okay, so now we're going to chain 6. This counts as a double crochet and a chain 3. We're going to do a double crochet, and a chain 3. And you're going to do that a total of 7 times. Double crochet, chain 3, chain 3, and slip stitch into the 3rd chain from your chain 6 beginning. All right, so this is where you can change colors, or you can keep it the same color. If you keep it the same color, you're going to slip stitch over into the space. You're going to chain 3 and do 3 more double crochets in this same space. Then you're going to chain 2 and 3 double crochets, or excuse me, 4 double crochets in this space. And chain 2 and 4 double crochets, and you'll do that to each space all the way around the wheel. Chain 2, 4 double crochets. Okay, when you get to the end of the round, you're going to chain 2 and slip stitch into the 3rd chain from your beginning chain of this round. So that was round 2. Round 3. Now you can change colors here again. If you're going to keep it the same color like I am, you would slip stitch over to the next chain space, Okay. Oh my goodness. And you're going to do a chain 3 and then 5 double crochets into that same space. Then you chain 1 and do 6 double crochets. Chain 1 and do 6. So you chain 1 and 6 double crochets in each space all the way around your circle. Okay, so when you finish the last chain space, you would chain 1 and slip stitch it to the 3rd stitch from your beginning 6th cluster. Okay, so that is 3 rounds. Now you can change colors again here if you wish. I'm going to continue on with the same color. So we're going to chain 3 in any space. So because I'm not changing colors, I need to slip stitch over. And then we are going to chain up 3, which counts as a double crochet. Then we're going to do another double crochet. And we're going to chain 3 and do 2 more double crochets in that same space. And we're going to chain 3. And in between your 3rd and 4th, right in the middle, we're going to put a single crochet. And then we're going to chain 3. And in this space, we're going to put a single crochet. And we're going to chain 3. And between the 3rd and the 4th, right in the middle, we're going to put a single crochet. Then we chain 3. We do 2 doubles. Chain 3. Do 2 more doubles. Chain 3. Single crochet. In between the 3rd and the 4th, in the space, not the actual stitch. Chain 3. And a single in the space. Chain 3. Single in between the 3rd and the 4th. Chain 3. And then 2 double crochets, chain 3, 2 double crochets. And you do that all the way around. Okay, so when you get all the way around to the other side, you chain 3 and slip stitch it to the top of your starting chain 3. So now we're on the last round. And this one, if you're changing colors, you would keep it the same color. So obviously I'm keeping it the same. So we're going to chain one, starting in the same place that we slip stitched to. And we're going to do one single crochet in each of the double crochets. So that's 1 and 2. That almost right away puts us into the corner. So we're going to do 2 singles, chain 2, 2 singles, we're going to put a single crochet in each of these double crochets. We're going to do 3 single crochets in our chain 3 spaces. A single crochet in our single crochet from the previous row. 3 in our chain 3 space. 1 in our single, 3 in our chain 3 space, 1 in our single, 3 in our chain 3 space, 1 in each of our doubles, 2 in our corner, chain 2, 2 more in our corner, then 1 in each of our doubles, 3 in our chain 3 space, 1 in our single, 3 in our chain 3, 1 in our single, and we're going to do that all the way around till we get to the other side. And that would end up being the final round. Okay, so when we get to the end, we're not going to slip stitch, we're going to do a clean closing. So we're going to cut off our yarn and pull it through. We're going to use our yarn needle. And in our first single that we started with, we're going to slide it through like that. And then we're going to come back around and come back down through the top part. And it makes it look like a nice clean ending. And then we're going to weave in our ends on the back side. You kind of want to work it back and forth a few times so that it doesn't come undone. Just, with the movement of your blanket or shirt or scarf or whatever it is that you use to make out or that you use your granny squares to make. Okay, how, I didn't make this very long. I don't know how far I'll be able to work it under. Usually I work this as I go, but I didn't this time. Well, that's about it. Okay. This one's, I think, is really easy compared to the last one that we did together. So that's it. It's about a 4.5 inch square and piece of cake.